This is Gabby's vlog. For our this week's vlog ay i-recap na natin tungkol sa Miss Universe Coronation Day and Jeremy Trangian on asap natin ito last week. Subscribe na to YouTube channel at alamin kung bakit. Sana mag-subscribe at saka please. This is vlog 114 and episode 114 entitled Trending Recap. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan na natin. Now, we're beginning with Miss Universe. And ito, simulan natin. Last week, ang gaganapin Miss Universe pageant sa Florida, USA. Pero may audience pa rin. Kaya lang, may face mask. At ang pambata ng Pilipinas na si Rabia Mateo para sa Pick Pinay Miss Universe. At announce that enter top 21. Top 21 for 11 consecutive years na ang Philippines since 2010 by Binios Ra, fourth runner-up. At ng dalawang nanalo Miss Universe, Pia Wurtzbach 2015 and Catriona Gray 2018. Pero hindi siya nakapasok. But still, supporting on the next one. Kapag natapos ng journey, well, ano yung next new one? At ang Miss Universe Beauty Pageant hosted by Nat Steve Harvey, Olivia Copo, and Mario Lopez. And Olivia Copo, Miss Universe 2012. At here are the winners of Miss Universe. Fourth runner-up na si Miss Dominican Republic. Third runner-up na si Miss India. At ang pinaka-best part talaga, bakit ang second runner-up lang si Miss Peru? Bakit? Medyo kinopuse si Olivia Copo. Ang programa pala, pati yung Manemon na wala nang gana yung energy. Dapat full of energy, huwag nang mag-lack of energy. Okay? Bakit nalilito second runner-up na si Miss Peru? Nag-buo siya ng mga audience. But now, our first runner-up si Miss Brazil, Julia Gama. She's actress. At ang Miss Universe ay si Miss Mexico, Andrea Meza. After 10 years after Hina Navarrete from Mexico in 20, and Lupita Jo in 1991. Ito na yung third Mexican to win Miss Universe. Pero this is a third na postpone na last year due to COVID-19 na move last week. Congratulations pala to Miss Mexico. And now, sa ating breakup about Jeremy. Live episode ng asap natin ito, along with the new Gen Champs, Ella Nimpa, The Voice Kids Season 2 Grand Winner, Elaine Duran, and Janine Burdine, tawag ng tanghalang Grand Winners, except for Seasons 1 and 4, Season 2 and 3 na nanalo. And Idol Philippines Grand Winner, Zephanie Di Manana. Ano pa kinatan ni Zephanie? Sala na ng pag-ibig by December W, habang si Jeremy, yung Winnie Peace na I Belong to the Zoo cover na Sana. And then, your Volcano Flowers for your favorite ASAP families. Congratulations to Born to be a Star, Grand Superstar, Jeremy Trangian. At later sa ating I Want ASAP mapapanood through I Want TFC YouTube channel, 11:45 AM. That's it for this vlog. But before, ang mga dating progress ng GMA at current GMA shows mapapanood na sa Super String YouTube channel ng GMA Network Plus, ULOL, and GMA Playgab. Sana supportan nating Pinoys through Bitch Watch. Thanks for joining us. See you next vlog. Bye!